Meditation, or dhyana, is also a part of yoga. Like asana, the physical postures we practice as part of the 8 limbs of yoga, meditation offers a multitude of benefits, including improved mental well-being, stress reduction, and deeper relaxation. If you would like to participate in a personalized and exclusive yoga class with me, where you will learn the 8 limbs of yoga and the combination of postures, breathing techniques, and meditation techniques for your specific body and condition, you can join me in one of my private classes. Feel free to schedule using the link in the video description below. Welcome to this affirmation practice. I'm Dafina Lovelace, the creator of Embrace Change Yoga. Your thoughts are the foundation of your reality, and you have the power to shape them in any way you choose. Let go of all negative, self-defeating thoughts and embrace a positive, optimistic, and grateful mindset. You are a powerful creator, and you can manifest anything you desire. The power of repetition will help reprogram your beliefs. The more you listen and internalize these thoughts, the more you will see the miracles come forward in your life. So listen to these affirmations 3 times a day to gradually reshape your beliefs and embrace limitless possibilities. I have the talent, skills, and knowledge to do everything I want. I download success, prosperity, health, wealth, vision, action, discipline, spiritual maturity, peace, and resourcefulness from spirit into my day. I deserve a great job, and today I find it. I am a great employee. Any employer is very lucky to have me. I am an asset to any organization, and I prove it in every interview. I am a clear and effective communicator. When I reach out to colleagues, I always hear back. Every time I interview, I display confidence and energy. Every time I interview, I radiate credibility and capability. My words are powerful. My voice matters. I know great people with great things to say about me and great experiences to share with me. My network is working on my behalf. My confidence is superb. My great job arrives in my life today. Whenever I interview, I always create a positive impact. Right now, my resume is being selected by all the right people. My resume gets me interviews, and I show up as a winner. All of my basic needs are met. Right now, my great job is looking for me. Amazing jobs are appearing in my life out of nowhere. As I put my intention for a great job out into the universe responds with great job opportunities. I am creating the career of my dreams. It appears in my mind and then in my world. I am ready to work. I am ready to contribute. I am ready to shine high. I communicate this energy in every interview. Every no for the wrong job gets me closer to the yes that is perfect for me. I close my eyes and I see myself in my ideal job. I open my eyes and I go make it happen. Breathing in, I know I am worthy of a great career. Breathing out, I have it. This is the land of opportunity. I am totally loving it. My dream job is here and looking for me, and now I am ready for it. I have the recipe for success, and I attract career opportunities easily. Every day, I feel more connected to my career opportunity. Support this community by subscribing to the channel and activating the notification bell to stay updated with every new video release.